Welcome to our guide on building a strong and cohesive brand. We'll explore essential steps, starting with internal elements like purpose, vision, and mission, crucial for establishing a solid foundation. Understanding your brand's purpose is vital. It defines why your business exists beyond making a profit, guiding decisions and inspiring both your team and your audience. Next, craft a compelling vision and mission. Your vision outlines the future you aspire to create, while the mission describes how you'll achieve it, providing direction and motivation. Defining core values is essential. These principles shape your brand's culture and behavior, influencing how you interact with customers and differentiate from competitors. Develop a strong brand personality and voice. These elements humanize your brand, making it relatable and memorable, and should be consistent across all communication channels. Identifying your target audience is crucial. Understand their needs, preferences, and pain points to tailor your brand message effectively, ensuring it resonates and builds lasting connections. Here's the complete branding schema. It outlines every step needed to build a strong brand, from purpose and values to the final elements like logo and typography. Take a moment to review and, if you'd like, capture a screenshot for future reference. Analyze your competition to uncover opportunities. Understanding their strengths and weaknesses helps you establish unique differentiators, setting your brand apart in the marketplace. Finally, focus on external elements like name, tagline, logo, and typography. These visual components should reflect your brand's identity and values, creating a cohesive and recognizable image. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on valuable content.